The Anker Bigfoot 2 is a powerful solution for when you want to do outdoor events or sport events. It has Bluetooth, it has two microphones. Every one of these towers has two sets of speakers. It has an air transmitter, so you can connect this unit with another unit many yards away, meters away, and it's rugged, meant to be portable. So when you put it away and fold it, it's going to be totally protected. In this case, the setup on a track and field event, there's two of these speakers. There's one on this side, like you see right there, which is the main unit where the microphone is going to be transmitted, and through air transfer, which is how they call it, is another form of Bluetooth, a very powerful Bluetooth. They have one on the other side. In this case, this Bigfoot has a connection to a portable battery, and this battery will power the whole 5-6 hours of the event. The other one is on the other side of this hall. So now I'm going to point to the other side of the hall so you have an idea of where or how far these units can be from each other where they can transmit. On the other side, you see the other one. Super recommended.